With his home quickly freezing over, this beaver has little time to waste. His busy work has attracted the attention of some curious onlookers. A family of river otters, and they are starved for entertainment. But this beaver has no time for their childish games. He's planning ahead for the worst of winter. Beavers don't hibernate, so he must pack away enough food to last him through the bitter months ahead. The beaver's pantry is at the bottom of the pond. Once the pond has frozen solid, he can slip down to the basement for a quick snack. Soon the beaver will be safely tucked away in his lodge.